The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. I began by connecting a scan tool to identify the issue, which revealed the code P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. This code typically indicates a problem with the catalytic converter's ability to efficiently process exhaust gases, potentially due to a failure in its oxygen storage capability. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. During the test, I observed that the downstream oxygen sensor, B1S2, parameter closely matched the upstream oxygen sensor, B1S1 parameter. Normally, the downstream sensor should show a more stable reading compared to the upstream sensor, as the catalytic converter should smooth out the oxygen fluctuations. This similarity in readings indicated that the catalytic converter was not storing oxygen effectively, a clear sign of a problem with its internal structure or coating. Next, I inspected the catalytic converter for any external damage, leaks, or other visible faults, but found none. To confirm the diagnosis, I used a non-contact pyrometer to measure the temperatures at the catalytic converter's inlet and outlet while the engine was running. A properly functioning catalytic converter should show a higher outlet temperature compared to the inlet, as it generates heat during the chemical reactions that reduce emissions. However, in this case, the inlet temperature was higher than the outlet temperature, confirming that the catalytic converter was no longer functioning efficiently. Based on these results, I replaced the catalytic converter with a new one, ensuring it met the vehicle's specifications. After completing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated as expected, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. A properly functioning catalytic converter is essential for reducing harmful emissions and ensuring the vehicle meets environmental regulations. This repair restored the system's efficiency, ensuring both the engine's performance and the vehicle's compliance with emission standards.